All right, the drink we're about to make is called Chopped Nut. Go ahead and put some ice in a mixing glass, and a little bit on your bar too. And measure out 1 ounce of light rum. And we'll follow that up with a ½ an ounce of coconut rum. Next, we'll add a ½ an ounce of white creme de cocoa. And give it a splash of hazelnut liqueur. And then we'll just fill it up with the orange juice. All right. Take your shaker, give it just a couple of shakes, just enough to get everything mixed together. Set up your glass, go ahead and pour it in. All right. Add a straw, and you can garnish it with an orange if you like. And that is a chopped nut. Bottoms up.